Welcome to a tutorial on using the Screen Lock application on the EduTouch EE panel. The Screen Lock is a beneficial application if the user wishes to keep the panel active whilst leaving the room. To access, locate the 9 dotted icon in the right-hand corner of the screen. More applications will appear and the user will now be able to select Screen Lock. Enter a desired 4-digit code. The lock will be activated once the user selects the application again. It is important to note that the code only needs to be set once. The user can then exit out of the Screen Lock application, go to the home page, enter back into the Screen Lock, and enter their code. To remove the code, locate Settings and Passwords. Select Clear. The code needs to be remembered by the user who sets it. If forgotten, the user will need to contact technical support to remove it.